on, man. You're going to miss it.
Go.
I'll take all that.
Departure now was 158958 on the 1726 Great Western Railway service from Portsmouth House to Cardiff Central. Now calling at Cardiff Central only now. So yeah, bye guys, bye. But arrived in now with an IET. On the 17th, 30. Is he going to stop down?
2 or 3, please.
I don't know. I need to stop. That looks like a 9 to me. What does that look like to you though? A 9 or 10?
To me. It's 2 to me. It's in the middle.
Oh yeah. Right, we'll see you out in a bit. Bye guys, bye.
Now there's one coming in over through the tunnel.
Yeah, through the tunnel. Right, arriving in now is the delayed 1725 Transport for Wales service to Cheltenham Spa, I believe. Yeah, this is from the unrefurbished 150, because you can tell by the destination was.
Going out now.
I'm going out there, it's 800-318 on the 1762 by Western Railway service to Swansea from London Paddington. 153 327. There you go. I'm back the other way. I'm more focused on the IET. I hate dog boxes. The 800 is now calling at Cardiff Central, Bridgend, Portsmouth Parkway, Nice and Swansea. And the 153 was calling at Southampton Junction, Codicott, Chepstow, Lindley, Gloucester and Cheltenham Spa. And that was from Mysteg, and the IET was from London Paddington. So yeah, bye guys, bye.
Yeah, got one coming out in a minute.
Right, around in now is a Transport for Wales service off to Holyhead. It is formed of a 158. I believe this is from Abertown West, Swansea, or it might be from Cardiff Central, which is kind of long it was. Let's see what it is. 158886, no, 158836, and that is on the Transport for Wales service to Holyhead.
He'll be going out in a minute.
Yeah, here, the 175 is off to Milford Haven from Manchester to Piccadilly, calling at Cardiff Central, Bridgend, Portsmouth Parkway, Nice, Swansea, Knafley, Pembrey and Newport. No, it's Cardiff Central, Bridgend, Portsmouth Parkway, Nice, Swansea, Galton, Knafley, Pembrey and Newport, Keywelly, Ferryside, Carmarthen, Whitland, turn around that way, Joe.
I will.
Whitland, Clarbeston Road, Johnston and Milford Haven, I think. 175101 is off to Milford Haven from Manchester City.
South Cross Country train.
No Transport for Wales. Idiot. Turn around that way, Joe. Forward a bit more.
Can't go forward a bit more, man.
There we go. See, this is why I like the station so much, because you can see it go off into the tunnel. Newport is definitely one of my favourite stations.
There's another one coming
We
through
sh-
the tunnel, I think. It
We
might
should
be
have
wrong,
we should have a Great Western Railway service from Swansea to London Paddington during a minute as well. So
There's
yeah.
someone coming through the tunnel. Have you
Bye
looked at
guys,
the
bye.
lights yet? The lights?
Yeah, it is. Oh yeah. And approaching it now is the 1740 Great Western Railway. That's the 158 off the Holyhead. And approaching it now is going to be the it's going to be the 1726 Great Western. No, sorry, because that's the 26th of Cardiff. So it's the 1740 Great Western Railway service from Swansea to London Paddington. It is 8. I need to.
Leave it up. 'Cause that time you've got it.
It's 800, 802,021 at the front. Yeah, it says the 1740 Great Western Railway service. 802,021
That's the second car.
and 802,011 is at the rear. Oh really? So I thought it was a night car. That is now calling up. Yeah, Bristol. That is now calling out Bristol Parkway, Swindon, Reading and London Paddington. So yeah, bye guys, bye. I'm posting it now, it's a 175. This is off to Manchester.
Through the lights.
No, it's not. This is a Great Western Railway service. This is the 1745 Great Western Railway service from Paddington to Portsmouth Harbour. Double pilot 165. I cannot
These are numbers.
because of the 800s in the one. In fact though, yeah, right now.
Then good. Right, good.
Alright, departing now, 802,011 and 802,011 and 802,021. I can get the numbers now. 166205 was at the rear and then the 165 on the front. And also arriving in is a 14.
No, he's going straight on because he's in the middle of the lane.
He's departing now. And as an ECS move, off to up there, first an ECS move. 143622.
There's another couple coming this way we've got to do because green lights. There's too many green lights. Right.
Yeah, bye guys, bye. Don't put it
Of course it's a bastard to the end of that.
No, I said it's not straight. Didn't say, of course it's a straight.
No, you said is it a tree?
Right, arriving in now is the
Double decker bus?
no, it's a freight train. It looks like a 6610 and departing now is
It's in the
1662.
middle, like, so
It's
you know what I mean?
166205 and 166. No, I'm trying to brighten this up. There we go. No, it's still dark, isn't it? There we go. Departing there is 166205 and 165134. That was the front of it on the 1745 Great Western Railway service from Cardiff Central to Portsmouth Harbour. Now calling out Felton Abbey Wood, Bristol Temple Reach, Bath Spa, Barton
Why
Radon,
is that
Trowbridge,
going to a
Westbury, Warminster, Salisbury, Romsey, Southampton Central, Fareham, Cosham, Stratton, Portsmouth and Southsea and Portsmouth Harbour. Here's the freight train.
Yeah.
Do I turn the brightness down a bit or not? I don't know guys. I turn it down. I know how to do it, but
Well, don't fuck about with my phone, man. Yeah.
No, I bet
Again,
it.
you don't know.
Yeah. That's too bright. 55055 was that locomotive. That was 66055. I'm not interested in that, but you know. Oh, that's why, guys. I'm trying to fight this up way too much. There you go. Right, bye guys, bye. What? I bet you it's 152.59. Right, around the levels of if I can zoom in. It's 152.59 on the 17. No, it's not. Yeah, I don't know. I want to say 1751 transport for rail service from Cheltenham Spa to my side. Now for that kind of central, but then I do know how to pronounce it, but I don't know the stop order. I will find out though. Bye. Bye guys.
Back in the spot.
What, this way?
Yep.
Don't put me in this shit vantage point.
No, I'm not putting you in a shitty vantage point.
I mean, turn around where it's over. The party now is 152.59 on the 1753 transport for wild service. Oh, great free time! Great free time! Well, it's more like a two-tone than one tone. Well, now it was a two-tone. Mine was a two-tone, even though you had a slight pull. But that is off from Cheltenham Spa to my sec. Great free-tone. Right, I need to take a picture of the train at some point, guys.
That's all the lights on red now.
That's not right. Right, I'm going now is the 18. This will be the 1800 cross-country service from Cardiff Central to Nottingham. It is 117,638.
Derby.
No, it's like Nottingham, but
Is that Derby? Fucking D.
yeah, but via Derby.
Oh, via Derby.
That is off to Nottingham via Bowen and New Street in Derby. I believe that is now calling that Chepstow, Lindley, Gloucester, Cheltenham Spa, maybe Ashchurch. It's weird because some do weird calling patterns.
Oh, look, there's another double-decker bus on the line.
Oh my god, guys, this is what we've been waiting for!
Was it?
Alright, I have to take. Right, the party now is the moment of my dreams. It's for the Castle Set HST. This is on the 1756 Great Western Railway service from Taunton to Cardiff Central.
Wait, that's just the light.
There we go.
You miss it.
It's. Can I let it go? 42191 in the front. That way.
Oh, what is that?
None of that. 160 in the rear. Come around, Joe. Oh man. Look at that. Oh, I think I'm gonna pass out. That's so good.
Well, I'm not
So just ask me that. That is now called it Cardiff Central only.
Right,
No.
6 o'clock, I'm going to go for tea.
Right, bye guys, bye. Right, arriving in now is 175. This is off to Manchester Piccadilly anyway.
Go 4 Georges.
No, 175 don't actually. 175 114.
Manchester Piccadilly.
This is off to Manchester Piccadilly. I believe. Off the Haven.
175, 114.
Four. Excuse me?
No, man.
No, is that from Milford Haven or Carmarthen? Can you just double tap for me if that's right? Can every other one come from Milford Haven and Carmarthen? I'm just going to find out now, because I ain't got real time page up. And here comes the 1710 cross-country service from Nottingham to Cardiff Central.
With phone chargers.
No, because that was the train we got off an hour ago.
I'm going to say that every train will go past.
No, don't, that's really annoying. But I'm not saying when the next one comes in.
Every train while I'm bored, I'm going to say, no phone chargers.
Is that Carmarthen or Milford Haven?
That one.
Yeah.
Aye.
Right,
Yeah,
that is from Milford Haven to Manchester Piccadilly. And
You're not
here is...
even recording?
Yeah, I am, Joe. 1 minute 53 this way. That is from Milford Haven to Manchester Piccadilly. And it's 175 114
Right, talk about
114. So I'm going to do it in the person in the 18. So I'm going to stop that. Or right, some of you might not know what the Sweeney is. I'll be very surprised if you do. Right, so I'll stop warning now. Right, the party now is 17. 1810, sorry. Cross-country service from Nottingham to Cardiff Central.
On that one, I do want one coming in.
I want both, Timber. I can get both watch. 170, 111 on that one.
But you haven't got it because you've got this thing.
And also arriving in the next. So guys, that's the aircraft HST. 43063. And so we go from the front. Side in front we're coming in. I was taking a picture of that one instead of filming for my thumbnail, so there's
Walk up
43063.
there, get a picture of it, right?
Yeah.
And then you can.
Hi guys. I'll let me film recording. What arriving in now is two dog boxes, both at Great Western.
You got my light on?
Yes, sir. 153361 is the front. And 2339. 3610. 3339. No, 369.
153.
Yeah, 153. 369 and 153 361 is on the 1827 transport for wild service from Manchester to Cheltenham Spa. Calling now at Senator Junction, Codacott, Lindley, Chepstow, Gloucester. No, Senator Junction, Codacott, Chepstow, Lindley, Gloucester, and Cheltenham Spa. So yeah, bye guys, bye. Alright, bye. Is that the same place where I saw to earlier?
No.
Let me have a look.
Not bad.
Yeah, I'm going to talk to him though.
It may not be returned, but
Yes. But arrived in Nancy 1826, Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central. And that's 153 369. And 153 361.
so we're going to say we went from
Yeah.
Cardiff, not Cardiff, Gloucester,
From Bristol to Newport, Newport to Gloucester.
Gloucester,
But-
along Gloucester, then back. So we're going to have to run.
Or we could just say something different. Bye guys, bye. Right, the party now is 1533 153, 361 and 153, 369 on the 1827 transport for World Service to Cheltenham Spa from my sec, now calling at 7 Tunnel Junction, Codicott, Chepstow, Lindley, Gloucester and Cheltenham Spa. So yeah, bye guys, bye. Right, the party now is 158. I'll try to get the number now, but not on it on the way out. It looks like a 2-car one, but that's 3. That's why I said it looks like 2. 158954. On the slightly delayed 1826, but Western Railway service from Portsmouth Harbour to Cardiff Central. Calling that Cardiff Central only now. Forward a bit, Joe. There you go.
Well, that extra 2 steps made it crystal clear, did it?
Yeah, it did. Did it, guys? And there goes the 158 with phone chargers.
Oh, I forgot to say that.
Yeah, but and the 153 also has phone charger. No, I'm joking, dog boxes don't have phone charger. Neither does that 158. So yeah, bye guys, bye. Right, well, the last 1833, Great Western Railway service from Bristol Temple Meads. Oh, why am I saying that? Right, the last 1833, Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Swansea. I don't know why, it's another 9 car. That's a 10. And then I can't. Is that a 10 or a 9? Because it looks like there's a double there. We get home on the departure anyway. Bye guys, bye. Right, just about to depart now is the 1833 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Swansea. Now calling at Cardiff Central, Bridgend, Port Talbot Parkway, Neath and Swansea. It is formed of a, we'll soon find out by the number. So if it says 0, can I not do? It's 8, yeah, it's a 9 because it's 800 306 and it is a blue one. It is a number 9 because it's an 800 3. 800 306. I'll just zoom out slightly. Yeah. 800 306. Now calling out Cardiff Central, Bridgend, Port Talbot Parkway, Neath and Swansea. So yeah, bye guys, bye. I can't put it off now. Right, so now the 1840 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Swansea.
So we could get this.
And then because it goes to Parkway.
Any other fucking time you go to Parkway, I'm
Fine, I will.
Too late now, we should have been up there.
800 315.
I sacrificed my battery for you, don't forget.
What was that? He's departing now. Right, departing now is 175. 108. No, not 108. 175. 007, I think, on the on the 1839 Transport for Wales service from Manchester Piccadilly to Pembroke Dock. Go via Cardiff, Swansea, Carmarthen. and went London Tampa, things like that. And I'm thinking now for that kind of central present, Port Talbot Parkway, New Swansea. Come on, that was it. Now I'm thinking Athley, Pembrey Bay, Porky Valley. I need a point for that in a minute. That goes 803.15 on the 18th.
Right, I'm trying to fucking steady your hand and all you're doing is moving it away, man.
On the 1814 Great Western Railway service from Swansea to London Paddington. Now called it Bristol Parkway, Swindon, Reading and London Paddington. So yeah, bye guys, bye.
That's the last one.
Right, departing now is 158958 on its way back. That is now calling out Fulton Abbey Wood, Bristol Temple Beach, Bath Bar, Barton on Aden, Trowbridge, Westbury, Warminster, Salisbury, Romsey, Southampton Central, Fareham, Cosham, Fathom, Portsmouth Southsea and Portsmouth Harbour. Because I did go a bit quickly now, I'll do it one more time. Fulton Abbey Wood, Bristol Temple Beach, Bath Spa, I can never pronounce that properly, Bath Spa, Barton on Aden, Trowbridge, Westbury, Warminster, Salisbury, Romsey, Southampton Central, Fareham, Cosham, Stratton, Portsmouth and Southsea.
And it had phone chargers.
And Portsmouth Harbour. No, it did not have phone chargers, guys. So for me here at Newport, it's goodbye, because my phone is about to die. So for me here at Newport, it is goodbye. I've got to admit, I have really enjoyed my time here. We've seen lots of great stuff, and I've picked a good time to do it. Yeah. So yeah, bye guys, bye. I didn't complete this bit.